So, to advance in the world of amateur rocketry, I need to figure out a way to successfully cast propellant grains, and to do that, I need to figure out a way in which I can cast my propellant in successful geometric shapes like rings, circles, and stars. But my propellant is amorphous, and I do not want to melt it down because I just can't. I don't have the proper equipment to do that. So in this video I will explore binders. Binders basically, what they do is they bind the propellant components together, the fuel and the oxidizer, and since they are liquid and they harden over time, they can be cast into different shapes. So that's what I will be doing today. This is the same 70-30 mixture that I had made in the previous video, and I will be using paraffin wax as a binder for this. So this is a rough amount. This is not very calculated in the least, and I will be using 5 grams of paraffin wax, which is melted, to attempt to bind this together. So yeah, let's see how that works out. Right, so here I have the liquefied paraffin wax, and since it had begun to boil, I'm not sure how exactly hot this is. I'm going to wait for it to cool a little bit before I mix it with my propellant, because I do not want it to explode or ignite. Okay, come on, here we go. This seemed a lot easier to do in my head. Okay, we got a successful blob in the middle. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think that's enough. Don't want it to saturate. So this is 5 grams of it, and I'm pretty sure that my propellant is less than 5 grams. So I'm just going to wait for it to cool and harden. Then I'm going to ignite it, and with luck it will. There we go. So now we just have to wait. Okay, quick update. Okay, so the wax on the popsicle stick has dried. I'm pretty sure this has as well. It has dried. It's a little soft though. I'm just gonna wait for a little bit more. Wait for it to completely harden. Then we'll get to it. Alright, here we go. Low budget blowtorch. Okay, so that's a good sign. There was no wind. That means that the energy is being absorbed to melt the wax. Okay, that's good. Let's see if this works. Okay, come on. Okay, so there was a sizzle and then it's stopped. That's a good sign, but it's going a bit too slow for my taste. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pop this on here, and although this is going to be dangerous, I am too impatient to wait. Okay, here we go. Okay. Ooh. Ah, that hurt like a... Ow. Okay. Well, at least worked. Youch. Oof. Okay. You done? I should probably put that out. Okay. So that was a success, which is good. But I definitely need to measure out the proper amount and need to find a more reliable way of igniting this. Now, I would also like to bring to notice the burn rate. So I'm just gonna take out an amount of propellant that is almost identical. Oh, I can smell the sugar. Okay, there we go. So that's near identical. And if we ignite this, I do not want to do it using this lighter. That is a terrible means of doing so. Come on, are you serious? Gosh. Okay, here we go. Do you have stage fright? There we go. Okay. That was not part of the script. Come on. So there is an appreciable speed difference, the rate of burning between the propellant with the binder and the propellant alone. So there's a big difference, and so I think that with the paraffin wax it burned steadily and with a slower pace, which is probably good because, well, that really depends on the need. For firecrackers and other explosive impediments, that's not good, but for rocketry, that'll be good because it provides a slow and constant output, which will probably be useful. Okay, need to clean this up.